G'day everyone, Cookie's Garden Rescue here again. So, my next job is clearing this stuff out. Let me give you a better look. It's the old incinerator. The old incinerator the Aussies used to have in their backyards many moons ago. And we've got leaf litter, fence palings, some rubbish inside. Look at it all just rubbish. But the biggest trouble is this thing at the front. This wheelbarrow is embedded with asbestos. So I can't smash it or break it or anything. I've got to wrap it up in plastic and get the council to do a special pickup. But yeah, we'll see how we go with this. So this is what was inside. Just a bunch of rubbish. And I worked out a way to use these sides. I'm going to grab them and put them around trees out the front. Make a border around them. Don't throw them away, use them. That's what this garden's all about. Use what we have to the fullest. Alrighty, keep going. Okay, I've got my trusty gurney. So I'll give these a blat. I'll show you how they turn out. There you go. That's what I mean. Well, the black on the inside did not come off, but cleaned off all the soot. But yeah, it'll do the job. And then I'll fill it up with mulch on the inside, and there you go. Got that one over here to do. And I found a native hibiscus. In the special section. So I got that for $1. I'll plant it. Once all the side shoots start coming out, I'll trim it off and see how we go. I'll plant it like the same distance apart of those two, around about where it is now, but out further. Yeah, back to the cleanup. Well, there it is, all done. So it's all reasonably cleaned of rubbish now. Still got to cut this down with my chainsaw, and the greenhouse will be sliding back. Found a whole heap of sand underneath there, which will make it a lot easier to level out. A lot easier. Oh, and I found some treasures. Check these out. There we go. Found some gnomes. They got some really nice patina about them. Not too sure if I'll paint them yet. Might do something with the eyes. But oh, I even found some lilies. Oh yeah, and a bit of a shell. But probably the best thing I found is this. Look at that, it's an old wheelbarrow. So I'll probably put some wood up around here, put a pot in there, or if I can find a pot to put it inside, it'll stay in there. I reckon it's great. Great little thing. Must have had some lots of hours use on this thing. This was Nikki's granddad's. But yeah, check out all the rubbish I got for council pickup. Some of the pots, bits of rubbish, drawers. Looks like that was the old wheelbarrow top. That was a shelving that fell apart. But yeah, come and get it, council. I don't need it. And these are all the sides from the incinerator. Cleaned up the best I could. But yeah, I'll do the rest of the garden like I showed you in the previous one. The borders like that. And yeah, we see how we go. Alright people, don't forget to follow me. I'm on Facebook as well. And hit that bell for all my latest updates. Bye for now.